if you see this fine girl where I just get for Instagram now, one better. I dey tell you. She don't come now. Don't tell me she come.
You get the one with me I call if you see her.
I'm
70 years old man.
You know I like them.
You know say me I know they carry her in the house girl. Now pino chop one now they carry me.
I know now he weighs it now. He is someone. He not one. I dey tell you. The guy they come, you go see him now.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Baby, how are you?
Yes.
You so much.
Oh my nipple. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Zini.
Yeah!
Now the girl when you dey talk with this.
Now the girl be this now. How you take no?
Now she I call. Why don't they call my girlfriend?
Which one be? Let me say now one girl me and you dey drag.
Calm down. I can explain.
You even know her name? No, guys, see, I don't want to hear anything from you. Get away to say, you know how long I don't dey chat with her for Instagram.
No, now yesterday I start to the follow and talk now.
I don't want to hear that one. No, they tell me. So far, say na me call her. Okay?
T-boy, calm down.
Okay, now you call her first.
Wait.
You want call?
Where are you going?
I don't want
I'm not
peace.
the one that
I want problems always.
I don't want
God have mercy upon us.
What people will come here, they have to kill them. I'm telling you.
Oh, wait, calm down. This girl don't leave us. Why may you come to fight because of woman? Huh? Paddy? Now wow.
Say you come to beat me.
Hey! I hear me, but me.
You know we have been friends for so long.
After you don't beat me finish.
You know they fight for woman.
No.
I send this girl my last minute salary.
But you wicked, you going to beat me like say you know.
Now fight is the fight. Now you know be man. You don't wear better like mumu. You know fi fight.
Now wow, you not supposed to fight too. I beg no vex.
We go get another girl.
No vex.
But guess na scam o.
Wow,
I send them my last month's salary o. Hey, I never see before.
Oh, chance you can't leave us.
Now one area him.
You leave us, we will kill ourselves.
This girl don't finish us.
I beg. You see this year, this 2024, no grief for anybody. No grief for any girl. You're not supposed to fight. Hey, my good friend.
No worry, no vex.